fresh start again. So what do I mean by fresh start? I mean, I like too many things. Let me get into that. When I mean I like too much stuff, it means I love woodworking, but I really love just building anything I can, and I've always wanted to film it, or at least try to. Putting a camera in front of my face is probably one of the hardest things I've had to do for some reason. I'm going to try until I succeed with it, until I get comfortable with it. And I'm not going to get rid of woodworking. I love woodworking to death, but I'm also into 3D printing, traveling, RC cars, RC planes, building them, home improvement, anything you can think of, I want to get my hands on it. I will have the opportunity to really understand what I enjoy and what I don't enjoy. And I think that's extremely powerful. With trying YouTube again, I know I haven't posted in about 10 months on my channel, and I felt really good the first time I was, I posted, I think, 4 videos just in my garage, and I just stopped. I got busy with work, and just life got in the way, and now I feel like I want to dedicate a lot more time to filming my own stuff. One of the biggest reasons why I stopped making videos is because I moved. I lived with my parents, now I'm living with my girlfriend, and the garage was at my parents' house, and now I live about all the way across town, and it's a little bit harder for me to get back in the garage and do a project when I'm not living there. Now, it's not really an excuse, but when you factor in the work I do outside of all this and just life in general, it gets to be a little hassle. Yes, it's always there for me, which I'm super grateful for. But if I dedicate more time to other things and different things and try new things, then I can do it whenever I want. Another thing I want to document, I want to say about my life is my growth on YouTube. Now, I don't want to be like that's all I post, because I like building stuff. I'm not here to tell you how to grow on YouTube. I want to document how I do it and where I get to in a month from now versus 5 months from now, and then so on and so forth. It could be, a whole year update of how I grow on YouTube. For me, just to see how I grow and evolve and better myself with my skills and motivation. A lot of what I will be filming is kind of boring. If you are interested in some of the stuff that I listed off that I might be filming and continue woodworking, I hope you stay. And if you don't enjoy that stuff, I hope you still stay. Maybe I can entertain you, or maybe you learn something from me. But I know it's going to be harder to grow because I'm doing so many different things. It's coming into the new year, 2026, and I want to take this year and kind of better myself, challenge myself more, try new things, more importantly, kind of hold myself accountable. Maybe if I don't feel like making a video one day, I'll still try. Let's get into a couple of ideas and a couple of ideas for videos that I have kind of planned. It's kind of just a brainstorm sheet I got going on, but I'll also let you know what's going to be the next video after this. Woodworking, 3D printing, RC planes, cars, trucks, anything, home improvement, and traveling. I do a little bit of overlanding. Built my truck out to go do some trips. Me and my dad went on a cross-country trip 3 years ago, and I'm hoping to plan one within the next 2 years. I got a fence back here that needs to be fixed, so plan on repairing that. That'll be a video. Like I was talking about outside, growing on YouTube, I'll occasionally post videos about that. RC planes take you guys to the field and where I go fly. There's a guy who has an FPV camera on his plane, and we'll get some follow shots within the air. It's pretty cool. One of the videos is CAD, so I'll probably film a project that I make in CAD and then film how I figure it out, and I'll do a whole overlanding series. I'll do a walk around on my truck, talk about the gear that I have, some shots of like camping, sitting by the fire, having a beer, and then just, I don't know, kind of like the lifestyle of camping. I do a little bit of gaming. I've gotten really into Flight Sim with VR, so I'm going to try and figure out how to film that. And maybe I can make some fun videos with Microsoft Flight Simulator. With the VR, my brother and my dad actually got their own goggles. Golf, maybe playing the casino. We're going to get into the next video that I'm planning right now. It stopped raining. So we're going to go pick up something. It's going to be a part of the next project. Back in the garage. But what we need is down in there. I'm gonna take this sander home. The rain started again. We got it back there. We're back on the back deck again. It's a new day. It was raining a lot yesterday. I didn't want to get my sander wet. Got the sander here. Vacuum down there. My goal is I want to redo this whole entire deck. I've been wanting to do this for a pretty long time. I know this video was a lot of me talking. That was kind of the whole point. I'm more able to open up and understand what I need to do if I kind of, I guess, talk to a camera. I'm just going to do what I like to do, film it along the way. A lot of people, they're like, oh, like you need to find your niche, and narrow down a niche, and I don't want to do that. You know, whoever is interested in what I do, hopefully they'll watch me because it's me and they like what I do or how I do something, or maybe you guys relate to me in some way. I don't know. That's the goal. I'm going to try and stick to it. But right now, I think I'm going to try and stick to 2 videos a month, and we'll go from there. If you enjoy what I do, if you think you'll be interested in what I'll do, please subscribe, because that will show me if it's working. If you don't want to subscribe, don't subscribe. I don't blame you. Go find something that you do like to watch. I don't know. I guess so. So the next video, I'm gonna try and get this deck done. Obviously it's wintertime, it's a little cold. Right now the sun's out, which is great because it doesn't really feel that bad. I'm gonna go for it, jump into this project. Hopefully it turns out good. Who knows? We'll see you in the next one.